ghost that still haunts my dreams. Photographed dissolve in the liquid gray. All the colors bleed, then they drain away. Your laughter tumbles inside the spin, twisted with the screams of the things I did. Love notes and funerals, childhood streets, knotted together in the same wet sheet. Washing machine of memories, tumbling me apart. Cycle after cycle, no restart. Pull the lid trap of my heart. Nothing left but limbs and dark. Washing machine of memories, agitator eats the names, spins the years to dirty water down the drain. I scream your face, but it's already stained. Buttons missing, fabric worn to thread. The smell of your perfume is chemically dead. Foam turns black as the years go by. Every I love you disappears in the tide. Socks of summer, shirts of regret. One red dress I'll never forget. It bled on everything, now everything's pink. Even the pain don't feel the same, it just sinks